Niamh. Now, repeat after me. Niamh, Niamh. Meaning. Niamh is a traditional Irish name meaning bright or radiant. It originates from Irish mythology, where Niamh was a goddess, the daughter of the sea god Manannán mac Lir, known for her beauty and as a queen of Tír na Nog, the land of eternal youth. In a sentence, her name was Niamh, which suited her radiant personality perfectly. Here, Niamh refers to a name that symbolizes brightness and beauty. Let's try another example. Niamh, with her mythical roots, always felt a strong connection to Irish folklore. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using Niamh. Synonyms. Since Niamh is a proper noun, it doesn't have direct synonyms, but similar names with bright or radiant meanings include Lucia, meaning light or bright, Clara, meaning clear or bright. Antonyms. There aren't direct antonyms for proper names, but names with darker connotations could be seen as opposites in meaning. Part of speech. Niamh is a proper noun referring to a person's name. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.